Learn English with a story. Today, I have a very interesting and inspiring story for you. And stories are one of the best ways to learn English. The reason is they help you with your listening skills. Second, you understand how words are used in real life. Third, you understand sentence pattern. And final, it is fun and easy to understand. And today's story is about a woman, 40-year-old woman. She wanted to learn English, not for career growth or confidence building. No, her reasons were unique. They were very inspiring. Her story touched me, and I'm sure it will change your perspective completely. And if you are lazy to learn English and you keep losing motivation, I'm sure after this you will think twice before losing motivation to learn English. For this, first I will read the story for you. You have to listen carefully and try to understand how words and sentences are used in the context. Then, once I finish reading, I will explain some phrases and words used, and then you have to summarize in your words. So, let's dive in. Last year, I met a woman named Priya, 40-year-old homemaker from a small town in Madhya Pradesh. She reached out to me after watching some of my videos on this channel. She wanted to know how she could learn English and speak with confidence. To her, I asked a simple question: why do you want to learn English? When I asked about her reason for learning this language, I expected a common answer, perhaps related to confidence or career growth. Instead, her responses surprised me. According to her, there were two important reasons. The first reason was her children. As a mother of two, a son and daughter, Priya regularly attends parent-teacher meetings at their school. She explained that whenever she attends those meetings, she struggles to express herself in English. And because of this struggle, her children sometimes asked her not to speak English in front of their teachers. However, this experience motivated her even more. She told me, I want to communicate confidently with my children and their teachers. And more importantly, I want to inspire my children through my own learning journey. She wanted them to see that learning has no age limit and the growth is always possible. Her words truly touched me. Then I asked her about her second reason. The second reason was deeply personal. She said, for most of my life, I followed what others expected from me, and I never invested time in myself. But now I want to grow and improve my life. She continued and said, I want to upskill myself and start my own YouTube channel. I want to share my learning and experience with others in English. But because my English is weak, I hesitate and feel insecure. She paused and added, once I become confident in English, I will start creating content. At that moment, I realized something important. She was not trying to fit into a role defined by others. She wanted to break limitations and create a new identity for herself. Unfortunately, her weak English skills and self doubt often created hesitation. Yet determination was stronger than fear. Then she joined our platform for 3 months. After joining our platform, she was extremely disciplined and committed. She followed all the feedback carefully and attended each and every session. After some time, we noticed Priya showed a remarkable improvement. Over time, a visible change appeared, not only in a language skill, but also in her confidence. And earlier this year, she finally took a bold step and began creating videos for her own YouTube channel. Her journey is a powerful reminder that learning English is not just about speaking correctly, it is about confidence, self belief, and the courage to redefine one's life. So, this was the story. Now, we will learn some words that are used in the story so that you can understand and use them for yourself. First is homemaker. If you are someone who uses housewife for your mother or any woman, you can switch to homemaker. It is more classy and better than housewife. So going forward, make sure you use homemaker word. Second was reach out. She reached out to me. That means she contacted me. She talked with me. And third word, perhaps. That means maybe. Advanced word for maybe. You can use it anywhere when you want to say maybe. Fourth, however, it is an advanced word for but. You can use in place of but. Fifth, upskill. That means to learn something new. She wanted to upskill herself. That means she wanted to learn English. That was something new for her. You can use it in your context. If you are learning something new, you can say, I'm upskilling. Next, to fit into a role. That means to be suited for a role. She doesn't want to fit into something that what others were expected from her. So she doesn't want to fit into that role. She was not suited for that role. Next was remarkable. That means a noticeable change, very impressive in a positive way. When she was learning English, a noticeable change was observed. It was remarkable, very impressive. And next was redefine. Redefine means to change something or to change the direction of something. In this case, she wanted to change her life by learning English. So this was redefining moment for her. In your case, you can tell me what was redefining moment for you. So these were some words from the story. Now what you have to do, you have to summarize the story in your own words. If you struggle somewhere to catch the context, you can watch it again. You can listen to the story again, but make sure you give a different structure to this story from your perspective. And let me know in the comment section which part inspired you the most. For me, it was very inspiring, really. Now you have to tell me what inspired you the most. And if you want to share your own story, please let me know that in the comment section too. And also let me know in the comment section if you liked it or not. If you want me to share more such stories, I would love to do that. I have a lot of stories to share. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video.